Hey guys, welcome to Sma-trendz. Today we're going to be making Methi Parata. Delicious. Looks better than it tastes better than it looks. Super healthy and might be your new favorite food. So to start off, you're going to be adding 2 cups of wheat flour into a big bowl and adding 1 cup of chopped methi leaves. This is the main ingredient in your Methi Parata because it's a methi. So you're going to add a little bit of salt, half teaspoon of red chili powder for some nice flavor, half teaspoon of Ajwain Seeds, and half teaspoon of Coriander Powder, and a ton of small ingredients. But the details matter and make it delicious. So you're going to add half teaspoon of roasted Ghee powder. Add it in there. You're going to add 2 teaspoons of curd, and you're going to mix it all together. Make sure it forms a nice soft dough. So you're going to mix it all together. You're going to add 3/4 cup of water, but you're going to add a little bit more if needed, because you need to make sure you can shape your dough and that it's nice and soft. So you need to knead the dough for 5 to 6 minutes, making it nice and soft and making sure it all mixed together. Then you're going to add 1 teaspoon of oil and you're going to knead it again to make sure the oil spreads. So mix it all nicely and you're going to cover it and rest for 30 minutes. But you can rest too. So now you're going to take small amounts of the dough and turn them into balls. Then you're going to sprinkle a little bit of flour on them and roll them out. You're going to use the flour to make sure it doesn't stick. And don't roll it out very thin, like a pancake. It needs to be at least a little bit thick. Next, you're going to apply a little oil or ghee and a little bit of flour. Then you're going to fold it again. So you're going to fold it 4 times or 2 times so that it gets some nice layers for your roti, for your paratha. So after you put a little bit more flour, you're going to roll it out again. Now, if you folded it like a triangle, but try to keep that circle shape. It's good. So after you've rolled it out, make sure it's a little thick and not too thin. You're going to fry it. You're going to place it on a hot pan and you're going to let it get roasted for a while. As you can see, the dough hardens and gets nice and crunchy. When it starts filling up like a balloon, you know it's going to be a good roti. So you're going to gently press it and add a little bit of oil or ghee. And, well, it's optional. You don't have to add it, but it's just for a little flavor. And if you do choose to add it, make sure to put it on both sides. So as you can see, it's still like a balloon, but it's going down. So after it's done, you'll get a nice, tasty paratha. Delicious. So flip it over a couple sides to make sure it's nice and toasty on both sides, and then you can serve it and enjoy. Serve it with some curry or curd and enjoy it. It is healthy, delicious, and simply amazing. So make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye!